This video is about removing the new ransomware that is called Again. Again is the ransomware that is a file virus. As a ransomware, it encrypts files, and before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. But because of some leaks in the security of this specific computer, this again ransomware may be injected into the computer. Pretty soon customers realize that something really bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. So this is what happens. You try to open the file, but you cannot do that. The message comes up saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Again extension. The same applies to all other files. The ransomware puts this ransom note. It says that you need to pay the ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom, however, is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files will be restored, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing without getting your data recovered. First of all, we recommend you to carefully research the task manager of your computer. It could be that you will find some suspicious processes that could be associated with this ransomware. If you find such processes, you need to terminate them to stop the further file encryption. Speaking about removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, install the software and start scanning your system with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in this mode. So click on Start Scan button. In your particular case, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database. So after you start the program for the first time, it is true that the program will update its anti-malware database for proper detection of any malware. And then the scanning will begin. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, of course, is a part of the premium license only. So the scanning itself will last for some minutes, I guess. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats that were revealed. You'll be able to know their locations on the system. I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.